Is that? This is the term which will rule our life. Understand? This full class.
Sir, unmute yourself.
So is there any term which is coming continuously again and again and again in our full class 9? Understanding? Most of the times we'll use this word. So that is only called as acceleration. What do we to call? Acceleration. ACC ELE. Learn the spelling. ACC ELE RATION. Acceleration.
RATION.
Acceleration. So let us see. Very simple, Ra. So when, suppose, let me imagine, when the velocity of a body is increasing, when the, suppose continuously my velocity is increasing, starting 10 meter per second, next to 20 meter per second, next to 30 meter per second, next to 40 meter per second, like that. Continuously my velocity is increasing. Example I'm saying. If my velocity is increasing, understanding the velocity of a body is increasing continuously, means then I can say that the body is said to be accelerating. The body is said to be
Accelerated.
If you are observing change in velocity continuously, then we can say that the body is in accelerating. That is why we can call our car not velocity, that clutch which we are pressing. Accelerate, they will ask you. Have you remembered while you are driving, press the accelerator? Our father
Accelerator.
Yeah, accelerator. That is means what? Which will bring the continuous change in velocity. Is it yes or no? Yes or no? Yes, Pradosh, that Mavan is absent, Mavan is not joined. Tell him to join fastly. This is most important concept. So now if you observe, whenever we are observing change in velocity, then we can say that the body is said to be in accelerating. Suppose a car starts off from rest. Always, as we know that our car, everything which we have stopped, always velocity will become what? Velocity will be equals to 0 always. Is it correct or not? Always when the car is in rest, the velocity will become 0. So that when the body is going to start its velocity, that velocity is called as initial velocity. So initial velocity. Now if your car is in rest, what is the initial velocity? 0. Is it yes or no? Yes or no? The velocity.
Yes, sir.
The initial velocity of the car is 0. Now let us imagine the velocity increases at a steady rate, like here. Steady rate means with the equal 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, like that. When the velocity is increases at a steady rate, so that after 5 seconds, its velocity is 10 meter per second. After 5 seconds, t is equals to 5, I have observed that my car velocity is equals to 10 meter per second. 10 meter per second. After 5 seconds, my car velocity is 10 meter per second. Now, if you'll observe here,
Sir, can't answer.
see, initially my car velocity is 0. Clear? Any doubt?
No, sir.
Now, after 5 seconds, I have seen that my car is running with 10 meter per second. Are you people understand? Initially,
okay, sir.
Now time is 0. My car is velocity is 0. Now after 5 seconds, I have seen my car is rising at 10 meter per second. Means it is traveling 10 meter per 1 second distance. Like that it is traveling. Understand, Laksha?
Understood, sir.
No.
Yes, sir.
Now you observe that if velocity is 10 meter per second after 5 seconds, now means in the sense of in 5 seconds, what is the change in velocity? You tell me. What is the change in velocity? Velocity is increased from where to where? Velocity is increased from where to where?
0 to 10.
0 to 10 means in the sense of what is the change in velocity? What is the change in velocity? Final velocity is 10 meter per second and initial velocity is 0. So 10 meter per second minus 0 meter per second. So what is the change in velocity? 10 meter per second. Is it yes or no?
10 meter per second.
Yeah. 10 meter per second is the change in velocity. Now you observe, In 1 second, what is the velocity increases? Tell me. 5 seconds, 10 meter per second. Means in the sense of for 1 second, how much it will come? For 5 seconds, 10 meter per second. Means in the sense of for 1 second, how much distance it is traveling? For 1 second. Are you 5 chocolates, 10 rupees. Means in the sense of for 1 chocolate, how much, man? 5
Sir,
chocolates.
in
Meter
1
per
second the
square.
car travels 2 meter per
2
second.
meter.
That is what I am
5
asking. Understanding? 5 chocolates, 10 rupees means. Then 1 chocolate equals how much, Ra? 10 by 5. Is it yes
4
or
rupee.
yes or no? So within t equals
Yes,
to
sir.
5 seconds, my car velocity is 10 meter per second. Understanding? 10 meter per second. So that for 1 second is equals to, it will become, understanding, 10 divided by 5 meter per second, which is equals to 2 meter per second. This is the velocity of my car for 1 second. Is it yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So from this I can say that the rate which the velocity increases is 2 meter per each second. Is it yes or no? For every second, the velocity is increasing 2 meter per second, 2 meter per second, 2 meter per second. Like that continuously it is increasing. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So now from this only, if you'll understand this, then I can say that every 1 second the speed of a car is increasing by 2 meters, 2 meters, 2 meters, 2 meters, 2 meters, like that. So from this I can say that. So when the velocity is changing, so what I can say, when the body is said to be in what? The body is said to be in? Body is said to be
Accelerating.
in what? The body is said to be
Accelerating.
acceleration. Understand? Acceleration. So from this only we are going to make the definition. The acceleration of a body. So acceleration is happening for what, Ra? Change in velocity for particular time period. Is it yes or no? Change in velocity for particular time period. Is it yes or no?
Yes, sir.
That is only called as acceleration. Rate of change of velocity. Rate of change of velocity is only known as acceleration. Means change in velocity for particular period of time. Every particular period of time is only called as acceleration. So now from this we can make a definition. From this example we can make a definition for acceleration. So if you'll observe here, in this body only you tell me, for every second how much is the change in velocity? For every second how much is the change in velocity? 5 seconds they have given 10 meter per second. Means for every second how much, Ra? For every second how much we have calculated? For 5 seconds 10 meter per second is the change in velocity. Means for every second how much it is? We have done correct, Amma. Again why you are silent?
2 meter per second.
No. So we have found that for every 1 second, my car is changing 2 meter per second. Velocity is changing 2 meter per second. So that is only called as acceleration. So acceleration of a body is defined as the rate of. So as I already informed you before, whenever you will see a word called as rate of. So rate indicate what? Per time period. Per time period. So rate of change of velocity. Rate of change of velocity is only known as what, Ra? Velocity with time. With time is only called as acceleration. Are you people understanding, Ra? Rate of change of velocity with time is known as acceleration. So acceleration I can write. Acceleration is equals to, understanding, change in velocity. Change in velocity divided by, understanding, time taken for change. Time taken for change. That's all. So that is only called as acceleration. So now, understanding, Ra? So this is only called as acceleration. Now, change in velocity. What is the meaning of change in velocity? Suppose my body is having 10 meter per second initially. After 10 seconds, it is reaches to 100 meter per second. Now, what is my change in velocity? So look at anybody. Change in velocity means what? This is initial velocity, man. Initial velocity, and this is the final velocity after 20 seconds. Now, what is change in velocity? Change in velocity is equals to what will become? How you will do? Change in velocity is equals to what? Initial velocity and final velocity you have. Initially you have 10 rupees. After 1 minute it will become 100 rupees. Now what is the change in amount? How much it is increased? How much it is? What you will do?
It is increased by twice.
Twice ille. How you will do that? How much you have got? How much you have got? How you will say? Initially you have 10 rupees. Now it will become 100. How? By doing what you will get that? What you will get that amount? Suppose
By
you have got this
accelerating.
much. What you will do, Amma? Final amount minus initial amount. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that's all. Here also you tell me what will come. Initial velocity is 10 meter per second. Final velocity is 100 meter per second. So now what is the change in velocity? Final velocity minus initial velocity. Yes or no? Change in
90
velocity
meter
is
per
equal
second.
to- Yeah, final velocity. Final velocity minus initial velocity is only called as change in velocity. Divided by what? Time taken for change. Time taken. That's all. So this is only called as acceleration. That is only called as acceleration. You understood or not? Yes,
Yes,
or no? So initial velocity minus, final velocity minus initial velocity divided by time taken is only called as acceleration. Now you write, I will write here very clearly. You also need to write. Keep heading all of you. Acceleration. Acceleration. I have taught this example because to understand more easily, understanding that you have to remember it, all of you, right? Acceleration of a body is the acceleration of a body is defined as the acceleration of a body is defined as the rate of change of change of its velocity, understanding, with time. Velocity with time is only called as acceleration. So from this I can write acceleration is equals to change in velocity divided by time taken for change. Time taken for change. All of you write it. Understand? So now from this I know that change in velocity means what is the formula? Change in velocity.
Final velocity by
Change in velocity equals to final velocity minus initial velocity.
initial velocity.
So now substitute in that. That's all. So now from it I can write acceleration. Understanding? Acceleration, which is equals to what? Final velocity minus initial velocity.
Sir,
Ah,
what will be the time taken for change?
yeah, time taken. That's all. Time taken means suppose initially now you have body. Now you see initially you have at suppose now time is 0. Now you are having a speed at 10 meter per second. Now after 5 seconds, 100 meter per second. Now change in time is 5 minus 0, 5 seconds. Understand, Laksha?
Okay, sir.
That's all. So now acceleration is equals to what? Final velocity minus initial velocity divided by time taken. Time taken. Till here, any doubt you ask me? All of you.
No, sir.
No. Okay, da? Praveen, Pradosh?
Doubt, sir. Sir, is there any formula for acceleration?
Yes, this is only formula. Now from this we'll write now. So shall we write now formula? Formula is change in velocity by time only. Now that change in velocity means I will write. Till here, is it completed,
Okay, sir.
Mahalakshmi? Tamil Selvan?
Sir, Akshaya said formula is F is equal to
F equals
mass
to ma. That
acceleration.
is Newton's second law. Who said? Akshaya said.
Yes, sir.
That you will study in second chapter. Okay, va?
Okay, sir.
That is Newton's second law of motion. There you will study. Don't worry. Understand?
Okay, sir.
Now you see, from this we can write in a mathematics symbols. Symbols are like, this is remembering is very difficult, and the exam we cannot write this formula every time. So that only we will write in the form of shortcuts now. Always remember, acceleration we can represent with a small a. How we can represent? Acceleration is represented with a small a. Final velocity is represented with a v. Okay, initial velocity you write it first. Initial velocity is represented always with a small u. Understand? Final velocity is represented with always v, not capital V, normal v. And the time taken, time always will represent with what? T. That's all. Now based upon the symbols, you modify this and tell me what is the equation. Acceleration A is equals to what will come?
A is equal to V minus U by
V
T.
minus u by t. That's all. So that is only
T.
called as acceleration. Is it okay, da? Yes or no? All of you.
Yes, sir.
Is it any doubt?
Yes, sir.
So this is acceleration is equals to final velocity minus initial velocity. Understand? Divided by time. That's all. Okay. Understood?
Okay, sir.
Now, finally, you will write units of acceleration. Keep heading units of acceleration. Units of acceleration. Units of acceleration. What is the units of acceleration? You may guess it by this time. What is the formula? Acceleration is equals to final velocity minus initial velocity divided by time. That's all. So now, units. So let us go for units. As we know that, what is the velocity units, Ra? Forget about change in velocity. Normal velocity units, tell me. Velocity equals to what? Meter per second or kilometer per hour. Is it yes or no? And time is equals to what? Seconds or hours. Is it yes or no? That's all. You substitute it now. So, SI unit of acceleration, which is equals to change in velocity. Velocity is equals to meter per second divided by second. So, which is equals to meter per second into 1 by second. Reverse, it will go decimal. Understanding? Division is again having division. So, it will go reverse, which will equals to meter per second square. Meter per second square. Is it yes or no? All of you. Acceleration is equals to kilometer per hour divided by hour. Kilometer per hour. Here I will solve. You people understand. So acceleration is equals to kilometer per hour divided by hour. So if now division is again having division, nothing is there, 1 will be there. So what will turns into here? Kilometer per hour into 1 by hour, which is equals to kilometer per hour square. Is it yes or no, Ra? Pradosh? So as I already told you,
Yes, sir.
this one you can write like this. Kilometer per hour square. Or you can write kilometer per hour minus 2. This one also same thing. Meter per second square, correct? So second inverse you can write.
Sir, 1 minute move, sir.
That's all. You understood or not? If you are understanding, then you no need to see also, you can solve. So meter per second
Understood,
square
sir.
or kilometer per hour square will come. Understand, Ra? Manish, Alana, this is the units, sir. Units of acceleration. Meter per second square. Remember, without square, no value. Meter per second square. If square is not there, it will turn into velocity. Is it yes or no? If no square, velocity.
Yes, sir.
If square is there, acceleration. That's all. Clear?
1 minute, don't rub, sir.